Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. How are we all this morning? How is everybody doing? We've got some great news for all the members today. Some very exciting news you're all going to absolutely love. Some great news. Welcome everybody. And it's another great day on the markets. The studio is green. We'll go green. We were pink a few moments ago for a very good reason. I'll talk to you about that in a minute. But right now, we're looking green. We're getting ready for another great day on the markets. Let's have a look. Who was here first? Let's have a look. Let's see who's in the chat for me now. Come on in. Let me know you are here. And I'm just going to share this video out a minute to somebody very special. We'll explain what that's all about in a second. Okay, let me just go over to here. Let me just do that now. And here we go. Hi. I'll tell you all about this in a minute. I'm live now. Jump on in. Say hi in the chat. Okay. Let's have a look. Jump on in, say hi in the chat. Okay, let's see if we get a response here. Let me just send that out. Okay, done that. I think we're all good. Okay, we're all good. Just setting something up for you. Let's see who's here first. Got some good chat coming in. We've got Tio Roll. Good morning to Tio Roll. Welcome to your studio, Martyn. Welcome to my studio. Yes, indeed. Welcome to my studio. Lovely to have you all here. Zax8, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Craig. Good afternoon. Hi, great week to all. Yes, Octavio, good morning to all of you. All right, we got an exciting day lined up for you today, and I've got some brilliant news you are going to love. Some really great news you're going to love. Octavio Garcia, XRP, is doing me proud. Excellent. I love it. Let's go through our positions. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. And we've got some big news to share with you today. And smash the like button as well, folks. Smash the like. Here we go. Now then, Virgin Galactic is down at the moment. Are you stressed? Are you worried? I am not. Are you? Shouldn't be. We got the earnings this week. Palantir Technologies up today. Gold is down. S&P is up 400 now. Amazon is up. Apple is down. I told you it's too expensive. Told you it was too expensive. Next Era Energy. Enphase is up. Coca-Cola is up. J&J is up. Kenvue is up. By the way, Enphase, 81.71. Just been saying, folks. Just been saying. I mean, look at it. Best value stock you can buy. Coca-Cola, looking good. J&J. Kenvue. CVX. Chevron today, up 0.86. Very nice, just 6% to go. Tesla, just 2% to go. Rivian, McDonald's, Stephen Lewandowski. Let's bring everybody into the show. XRP, oh yes, we've got a price target on this now. XRP of doing $7 a coin. I started with just $1,000, if you remember. We're now at 2,206. 2,206. Make that 218. Starting with $1,000. That was it. This is absolutely fantastic. Can you believe it? All right. I love it. Hi, Zach. Octavio MSK. How you doing? Bill. Lovely to have you here. Hi, Craig. Welcome all. Good morning, everyone. Stephen Lewandowski. Lovely to see you all here. The crypto bubbles are looking good. Not everyone's up, though. NEO is down 7.4%. The big winner is TEO, TW2. But look at XRP. That's what we're talking about. Value, an asset that actually does something, an asset that the banks are going to use. Look at this, XRP, could be $7 a coin. Very exciting, right? Very exciting if you've bought that at 38 cents, which is where we bought it. All right, now then, let's go. All our portfolio is looking green. Let me see if everyone's in. Yep. Let me go and welcome all our guests. We've got a nice audience today over on TikTok. Welcome to my 37,000 followers. We're nearly at 38,000 followers now. Thank you ever so much. All right. So here we go. It's that moment. We start by tapping the likes with 2 fingers. We've got 45 minutes before the bell goes. We're looking for a short squeeze that will happen on the earnings or later on as we break $2 on Virgin Galactic. Welcome to everybody. We're getting all the likes up now. Now, there's 1 slot per day. Only 1. See the little star? See the little star? I've got 4 subscribers there. Those subscribers, what I do is I make videos for them, put on the homepage of my TikTok channel, and it promotes their channel. I invite everyone to follow their profile. So if you want to grow your TikTok profile, okay, I only have 1 spot available a day. I can only make 1 video a day. I make it at the end of this live broadcast. Click the star. Become a subscriber on TikTok. You'll get extra value, exclusive content. I will tag you in my viral videos, and I will make you a video as well to promote your profile, and I will put it on my homepage. Hey, I just got a heart. Who is that? Someone just gave me a heart. Thank you so much. But yeah, I will do that at the end of the show. I only have 1 spot available per show. Right now then, let's go back to the stocks. We are having some fun, it looks like, on TikTok this morning. So I wanted to make sure that everybody could see what was going on. Here we go. Let's bring it up. This is my TikTok audience, so you can all see what's going on. I'm going to share you on the screen right now so everyone can see you. There you go. If you tap the likes, we try to get 10,000 likes. Don C J21 has sent me a rose. Thank you for the rose. Awesome stuff. Yeah, we try to get to 10,000 likes before the bell goes. So if you can help me do that, it's really exciting. And if we can get 10,000 likes before the bell goes, we have a bit of fun. All right, it's going a bit mental this morning. Whoops, daisy. What's going on there? What's going on there? Why is that doing that? What's going on there? Why did I get rid of that? There you go. What? There you go. It got a bit crazy there for a minute. Anyway, thank you ever so much, everybody, for taking part in TikTok this morning. Right. Good morning, everyone. Let's go through all our positions. Virgin Galactic is down at the moment, but not by much. Not that I'm concerned at all. Let me have a quick look across our platform. We've got our audience today joined us from Rumble. Let's say hi to everybody on Rumble. Welcome to all of you. There's my Rumble audience, and we want to quick drop in and say hello to our Facebookers, because yes, we've got our crowd watching us on Facebook today. Let's have a look. Welcome to all of you Facebookers, and we've got our Twitch audience as well. Let's have a look. If you want all these links, they're all on my links page, martynlucas.com/links. And lastly, of course, the sister to our YouTube show is our X account. This is where you'll find all the trades before I make them, all the deals, all the good stuff. Before I do anything, it's posted here on my X account. All right. If you reply to me, I will reply back to all my members. Mark Saxby, thanks for your comment there. Okay, good. Looking good. Right. I think I've got through all the comments. Yeah. We've got, at the moment, 1,000 likes now on TikTok. So we are 10% the way there where we need to be. No one has claimed the star yet. It's the first person to claim the star will become a subscriber, and I'll make them that video. Right, let's go for our positions. Virgin Galactic down. We've got some news today that we want to share with everybody. Palantir, too expensive. It's great, but FOMO's gone ridiculous. FOMO has gone ridiculous today. Everyone's buying everything. Be very, very careful. Everyone is buying everything, and I strongly suggest you stop buying. I don't know why everyone's buying everything. It's a bit bonkers, really, but there you go. You should already have done your research, already be in. Amazon, too expensive. Apple knows it's too expensive. When this comes down, I'll buy it, but it's going to see a decline on sales. It's going to see a reduction in profits. Margins shrink. We've got that information, right? So that's not looking particularly great today. I'm going to wait for that. And if I miss it, I miss it. But it's not worth it right now. Next Era Energy going down. Enphase still going up. Coca-Cola looking good. J&J looking good. Kenvue. Back to Virgin Galactic. We're waiting for that bounce this morning. It will come. No doubt about it. Now then, let's have a little bit of fun. I think I've got all my members in now. Right. Who wants some really, really good news? I've got some good news for all the members today. Some very, very exciting news. I'm going to open it up just for a minute that everyone can chat to me. But I've got some really exciting news. Right. Let me do it now. Let me turn it on to general public now so everyone can communicate. Okay. All right. Everyone can chat to me now. All right. We got some big news I want to share with everyone. So the first thing we want to do is, if you've not subscribed before, click the subscribe button and let's bring on the funky music. You ready? Okay, here we go. Let's get straight into it. We've got 66 likes. Now then, 50% of people aren't signed into Google. That's just the way it is. So they are 70. So we should have 35. We've got 26 right now. 99.5% up like is our average on our channel, which is fantastic. Let's see if we can get 30 likes, which would be 50% of the people that are able to do it. Come on. Let's go. 70 watching. Let's get 35 likes. We've got 27. As soon as we get 35 likes, I'm going to give you the big news today for my members. You're going to love this. Really, really good news. Okay, I've just come off a Zoom call. I was up very early this morning. I was up at 5 a.m. on a Zoom call for you guys. 32. Just need 3 more, and we got 50%, which is where we need to be. We normally get better than that, but there you go. It's 74. There we go. We'll get 40. I'm going to push it to 40. We'll do that easy. I'm 100% certain. 100% certain we get to 40. 36, and then I'll give you the news straight away. I know I said 35. I won't go up again, I promise. All right? All right. 36. 4 more likes. Oh, I didn't even tap Mr. Like. Look, there he's not even on the screen. That's why we're slow. 4 more likes to go. 45 minutes before the bell goes. It's a big, exciting day. 3 more likes. I'll give you the news. And we're very excited this morning. Let me know you're here in the chat. Say hi in the chat. 37, 38, 39. There we go. Crypto Maniac. Fubu is Chinese. I think it's a massive run-up, says Crypto Maniac. Ricardo, share the news. There we go. 40. Boom. We did it. I knew you could do it. I was very confident in that. Right. Excellent stuff. Thank you very much indeed. 44. We didn't just do it, we smashed it, which needs a round of applause. Right. Okay, now then. For those of you who were on the show yesterday, you will know, with Sensei Crypto, you will know yesterday I was having a very important Zoom call with the founder and CEO of Alpha Spread. It's very quickly becoming the best resource software platform online. I do my research with it, I use it, and I think it's the best platform to get your full technical analysis on stocks and so on and so forth. I absolutely love it. And I had a meeting this morning with the CEO and the founder of Alpha Spread this morning. I was up at 5 a.m. having a conversation about something exciting for my members. This is Alpha Spread. This is what I use to do my reviews. I actually do reviews, as you know, all the time with full technical analysis. And this is what I use for for my work, and I think it's the best platform bar none. Way better than all the other Market Watch and Alpha Spread. I beg your pardon, and Bloomberg and Yahoo Finance and Motley Fool. I mean, the list goes on and on. This is by far the best. It looks great, fantastic. So what I've done is this morning, I'm very proud to announce that I am now sponsored by Alex, who is the founder and CEO Alpha Spread of the company. Can you see he's become a sponsor member here in the chat? If you scroll up, you'll see Alex has become a sponsor for this. Now, as you know, guys, I don't take sponsorship from anyone for any money for something I don't believe in and that doesn't benefit my members. So I'm very proud to announce today that I'll be using this software to do my reviews and get my news and bring it all to you. The really fantastic way to present the stocks to you. As you can see, it looks great, right? This is Virgin Galactic, by the way, we're looking at the moment. And of course, you might say, well, I would like that software. It's expensive. It's a premium service. It costs money. However, from later on today, my members will get a discount code. There's not a discount code available. No one gets a discount code. My members will get a discount code, again, pretty much making my membership free. As always, I try to bring my members the best service with the best platforms, and now we've got Alpha Spread has joined the family. This is really, really exciting. So I am really thrilled with this. And later on today, I'll be giving you all a code where if you want to get Alpha Spread, you can get it at a discounted price. And it's the best platform, I think, bar none, for all your information regarding the stock. So this is what I use for my information. I think it's fantastic, and now all of my members are going to get a great deal. No one else has a deal like this. No one. This is an exclusive deal to my members. My members will always get the best deal. It'll essentially make my membership free. I'm so proud of that because this is the best platform for stock reviews online, and my members and my members only are going to get a discount. This is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. So I hope you're all excited about that as much as I am, because I use it. And what's absolutely fantastic as well for the platform for all my members and this channel and those that love this channel is you see this news here that's at the bottom of the page for the stock. It's going to be my reviews. Can you believe it? I'm really, really excited. My reviews are going to be here on the homepage of this channel. This is so exciting. I can't believe it. It's just massive for the channel that we're going to get featured above CNBC, Yahoo, or everybody. It's great for us. It's great for you. You're all going to get a great deal. It's a massive day for the channell. So there you go. I just thought I'd celebrate that with you today. It's a huge day, and I mean, it's just brilliant. But most importantly, my members are going to benefit. You're all going to get the best deal if you want the software. Now, you don't have to get it, of course, because I'm going to use it every day and share with you every day and all the rest of it and do the reviews on it, make the videos on it. But should you wish to own it yourself, have the software that I use, then you can, and that'll be great. All right, brilliant. Okay, how about that? Okay, so don't go and sign up for it yet, because I'm going to give you the discount code later in the day. All right, as soon as it's been done. This has just literally happened a few moments ago before I came online. The man from Earth says, nice. Sandro Flores, blue face smiling. Good morning. Excited for today's gains. Yes. Welcome, Alpha Spread. Yes. Welcome, Alpha Spread is our fifth member to our channel. Space to the moon, says Sandro. Sandra, beg your pardon. Yeah, Virgin Galactic is starting to move up. The portfolio is definitely green today. Virgin Galactic, Palantir, gold. The overall balance now. Let's see how we're doing. Switzer, are you still doing an interview with Alex? Are you still doing an interview with Alex? I've just done it. I've just had my Zoom call with Alex, the owner, CEO of Alpha Spread. He's going to sponsor the channel and provide you guys with the best service and build our videos into the website, which is phenomenal, absolutely huge. All right, or the CEO, or that Alex is the CEO of Alpha Spread Switzer. It's the same person. All right, okay. Virgin Galactic coming up. Did you all get rid of it? Did you all dump it? Did you all get fearful? Big mistake. All right, Palantir, too expensive. Let me have a quick look at the balance now and see how we're growing. So as you can see now, we are looking at 39,000 in the main portfolio. 15.5, all started from $5,000, remember? 55,445. Fantastic. Look at that. What a rally. So I'm not buying anything. Anyone who's buying it now, it's crazy. You shouldn't be buying it now. It's a massive FOMO pump. This is the time to just enjoy the ride, not necessarily sell anything though. It could go all the way through until December. And now the rates are going to come down, or at least they're going to pause and come down in the spring. The bull market, the accelerated bull market is here. So we don't necessarily want to be selling anything, but we don't want to be buying either. Anyway, I'm already in. That's the way I'm doing it. All right. You might feel differently. Okay. Fantastic. Got a nice audience this morning. We're watching Virgin Galactic now. We have got coming up some big events. They've not been posted yet. We've got on November the 8th, the earnings for Virgin Galactic. This is when it all starts, okay? Now, if you want to join me for the Virgin Galactic earnings, you can already go there. Now and leave a comment, because I'm going to put that to the investor team, okay? Your comments and questions for Virgin Galactic. So SPCE earnings. If you leave me a comment below the video or in the chat, I will make sure that the investor team see it. Okay. There it is. I will give it to you now and I'll pin it to the top. Have I done a review on Fisker? No, I haven't yet. Lance, I can do. Okay. There is the space earnings. You can go there now. If you go there now, you can leave a comment. Here's Alex. This is the CEO and founder of Alpha Spread, now sponsoring the channel, providing all of my members the best deal that nowhere else gets. It's exclusive, right? Okay. Mike's the first one in. We got 20 likes already. It's going to be a huge event, this. You can click notification so you'll be notified of the event. It's on November the 8th, after hours. We'll come back to that in a minute and see how many people have dropped their name in there. Let's have a look. Hi, Martyn. How are you? Rob Brennan. Rob Brennan is here. Lovely to see you, Rob. Rob was one of our biggest supporters to the channel. He's not currently a member of our channel, but he was for the longest time, and he actually supported us to make our video for Virgin Orbit. We flew to the United Kingdom, went to the Virgin Orbit space station because of Rob Brennan. Lovely to see Rob here in the channel. What's the news on space? Why short squeeze? Merizon, have you not been following the all the news items? I've been putting all the information out on the channel every single day, Maruzan. We've got a lot of members-only videos. You may not have seen them. I do make a lot of exclusive live streams and members-only videos because we have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. 95%. It's more than Mr. Beast. I mean, it's insane. So to honor that and to respect that, I make videos exclusively to members. I make live streams exclusively to members. I'm here because of the members. So you may have missed it. You may have missed a members only video. Do you hold much Tesla at the moment? At the moment, I own 28.8 shares. It's the highest I've ever owned of Tesla at the moment. Have you done a review on Fisker? No, Lance, I haven't yet. I so nearly bought 4,800 Virgin shares to leave me 8,000 and bottled it. I'm glad I held them all. I nearly sold them. I nearly bottled it. I found a good stock, I think SPI, Mike. Very nice, Mike. Send it to Discord and I'll have a review. Hello all from Denmark. Wonderful stuff. Virgin Galactic to $5 in 2024. Oh, easily. Yep, here she goes now. Very, very good indeed. All right, now then. Excited about this. It's coming up quickly now. Let's go over to our latest news on Virgin Galactic. This was something I shared with you a couple of days ago. Some information here about the news, that the sentiment around the stock. Very, very important. This is using Alpha Spread. This is our one of our sponsors of our channel, Alpha Spread, and I'm going to give you all the link to this soon, where you can all get a discount to this event. To Alpha Spread, sorry. Over the last 90 days, this was the sentiment. As you can see, there was some green, but a lot of negative sentiment. Wasn't good. Over the last 30 days, that has decreased. As you can see, the negative sentiment has got a bit bigger. But then all of a sudden, this last 30 days, inside, the negative sentiment has gone away. And now we're looking really good. And we've not yet had the sentiment for today, of course, because the markets haven't yet opened. But we're looking really, really good. Things are improving all the time. All right. Anyway, let's have a look here. Virgin. What time is the earnings? What time is the earnings? It's on the link. If you click the link I've just given you in the chat, pinned to the top, it'll give it you in your time zone. Rather than me guess what time zone you live in, I've got no idea. We have members in 43 countries around the world. Click on that link, leave a comment. A man from Earth has done it already, and Mike's done it. Click a like, click the notification, and it will tell you in your time zone. See, it tells me, look, November the 8th at 3:15 Central Time. So it will tell you in your time zone. Right there. There's the time zone just here. So it will tell you, so you know when it's on, and you can't miss this. This is the one that we influenced. All right, we're all over it. Rob Brennan, what's your view on margin at the moment? Is it expensive? Rob Brennan, I'm in margin right now. I'm using margin. I've gone all in on margin right now. It's expensive. It's 8%. But I am all in on margin at the moment. So. You know my thoughts on margin. You know how to manage it. You know the risk of margin, as long as you manage your portfolio correctly. If you can't make money without it, you shouldn't be using margin to make money. I've always said that. So be very, very careful. But yeah, I am all in at the moment, 100%. Couldn't be more in. I'm selling my remaining Apple and buying Coca-Cola, Martin. Is Coca-Cola still a good time to buy? Well, shall we have a little look? Is Coca-Cola a good time to buy? Right. We're getting lots of questions now. So I need to get back to members only, because I can't answer everyone. How do we do today? Kevin Schools, how are you? Good morning, family. Happy Monday. Happy birthday, Queen. Is it the Queen's birthday? Why is everyone saying it's the Queen's birthday? Is the Queen says it's her birthday today? I don't see that. Where's that? Okay, I'll wait for the Queen to confirm that. I don't see that at all. So what we're going to do now is we are going to switch back. We are going to get very busy today, so we are going to switch back to members only. What made you go all in on what, and what did you go all in on? Okay, let me just go back to members only because we got too many questions to answer. Okay. Here's the membership link. You need a browser if you're on a iPhone. You need to use the desktop version or a computer or an Android. It's fine. Okay, there is the link. Today's my birthday, mate. Shami. Oh, right. Well, you know what? You know you should be a member, right? Because if you're a member, I go behind the studio. I go behind me in the studio here, right? And we celebrate your birthday. People pay me $500 to do that. You get it for free as a YouTube member, and you get to keep and download the video. So I will sing happy birthday live in the show. Everybody will join in. You'll get your own video made. All the screen will go balloons and happy birthday. I'll go behind me to the piano, perform it for you. You can then clip it and save it, and you will have your very own happy birthday video you can share with everyone, and we'll get everyone in the chat to blow it up. Happy to do that. It's one of the members' perks. You've got to become a member for that, right? Hi, Martin and all. It's not my birthday, but I don't mind gifts. I think everyone was getting confused. It's actually Shami God's birthday today, and if he becomes a member, we will blow up the chat, do a video for him, and yes. So Rob Brennan, to answer your question, what made me invest? Coca-Cola. We are now going into a time where we've had a rally for the summer, then we've had a sell-off because of interest rate scares. Now we know interest rates aren't going to go up anymore. I've said it the last two reports ahead of time, it would pause, and I was correct. I've said we'll get another pause, and then we'll get a drop in the spring. I've said it for a year now, and I'm saying it again. Nothing has changed. So because of that, stocks that have debt and that are startups and stuff like that are struggling are going to flourish when this happens, because they've survived through the worst of times. Interest rates are going to come down in the spring and the summer. Most importantly, they're not going to go up anymore. That's the important news, okay? So because of that, we're now going to move into an ultra bullish market into the next year. I don't want to wait, because remember, the economy is 6 months behind the market. The market is 6 months ahead of the economy as well, in other words. So we want to be in. So I've already bought in, and I bought Coca-Cola and I bought J&J. Look, I bought $24,000 worth of J&J because of the litigation and the fact that people were moving out of dividend-paying stocks into bonds because the market was looking unattractive. So it got oversold. It got massively oversold. Is it still a good buy? Yes, it is. I'm still down 2%, but the dividends alone are worth it for me. I also went all in on Coca-Cola. I bought $12,000 on this account, and I bought $7,000 on this account. The dividends, and as you can see, and the overselling was insane. This is a profitable company with a good balance sheet. We'll share with you the details in a minute. It's up 3% already, and I'm at 3.14%. So you can see how much money I've made on Coca-Cola. I was earning $300 a year on dividends. I'm now earning $2,500 a year on dividends across my entire portfolio. Okay, so you can see why I've gone all in. Also, I had at one point 20,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. I managed to trade them, to make profit, to bring down my average, to make money from the stock and get my average down to $1.57. This was the bottom. Thereabouts. We did the calculation, we looked at the valuation, we looked at all the inside trading, we found out who was buying, who was selling, we worked out the 150 was the bottom, and all the communications that we have had with Virgin Galactic, the investor team, Andy Shovel, top 10 retail investors in the world, and we know that was the bottom, so I've now managed to trade, make profit, and get down to an average cost of 157. So, and I'm back to my 4,000 shares allocation. Let's have a look. Speaking of Coke, Martyn, maybe it's just me, but my sister just told me yesterday for the first time, Coke owns Monster. I had no idea, just like Pepsi owns Red Bull. Like what? Yes, that's right, Seth Houston. A lot of people are turned off Coca-Cola and have been selling it because it's a dividend stock. And right now, well, dividend stocks weren't attractive. They're going to become very attractive very soon because as bonds start coming down, rates come down, dividend stocks are going to go through the roof, particularly Coca-Cola and J&J. Coca-Cola is not about cans of Coke. It has many, many drinks, including coffee, health drinks, all kinds of things. You don't often think about it, but yeah, Coca-Cola is a great value. Is it still a great value today? Yes, it is. Am I buying it now? No, because I bought it 3% lower. I've got enough. I'm all in. I don't need to buy anything else. Anyway. XRP. You're absolutely right. Sensei done an amazing job with our crypto analysis. Started with $1,000 not even a year ago. Now 2,218. 2,218. 2,248. Now, from $1,000 less than a year ago. This is our crypto challenge. If you're not on our Sensei crypto challenge, you need to be. This is one of our other sponsors. We are now sponsored by Alpha Spread and we are sponsored by Sensei Crypto. We've just done the deal with Alpha Spread this morning, bringing you all the very best deals with Alpha Spread, the best information I'm going to provide. Here on Alpha Spread, you can see it here, and let me just get back into this here. This is what we're going to use, and we're going to provide everyone with the best analysis, best information, which I think is the best platform online, bar none. And what's really exciting, guys, because I see Sensei's just turned up and a few more members. Not only is Alex, the CEO and founder of Alpha Spread, sponsoring the channel alongside Sensei. Not only that, but they're going to provide a discount code, which nobody else has. No one else has a discount code. Only you guys, my members, are going to get that, which basically makes my membership free again if you only did that one thing. Not only that, which is really exciting, but if we look below the video, but let's say we do Solar Edge, right? We do a full technical analysis of Solar Edge, right? Sensei, this is for, you'll get this. You'll appreciate how cool this is. Once we go below the analysis and the charts, right at the bottom is the news item, and at the bottom we have CNBC, we have Mad Money with Jim Cramer. Well, guess what? The news in top spot is going to be my reviews of the stock for this channel. This is a massive day for our channel. This is one of the biggest days of our channel ever today. We got CNBC. You've got all these, Yahoo Finance, seeing all this stuff here, look, down here. And right at the top of the news, it's going to be my reviews of the stock here on Alpha Spread. This is phenomenal. Probably the biggest day for our channel today. We're very, very excited to partner up with Alpha Spread on this. You can imagine how cool that's going to be, right? Anyway, just thought I'd share that. Besides Super Chats, will you also add a ringtone for your incoming dividends? Will you also add a ringtone for incoming dividends? That's a great idea. Should be anybody out there. Anybody out there in space, could be a little ringtone. That'd be good. Congratulations to Sensei. Yes, Sensei did very well. Sensei Crypto Clips. Woohoo. Yes, indeed. Very, very well done indeed. Well done to you, Sensei, for setting us up. And of course, we don't want to forget, of course, Sensei is our other sponsor with Alpha Spread. Here is Sensei here. And if you've not yet checked his link out, don't forget, if you ask me, we've got discount codes for that as well. All my members get the best deals. Again, you're going to end up getting my membership doubly free if you sign up with all these services. Anyway, we've got a great service here. Sensei is here in the chat today. If you want to talk to Sensei about the crypto challenge, which I am on, with $1,000, now worth $2,248. You can see it. We are predicting that. Well, Sensei hasn't said this, but this is my opinion. I see XRP going to $7. Sensei has not said that. That's what I am saying. So we're at 2,248. If you want to be part of Sensei's crypto challenge, the link's in the chat, and it's below every one of my videos. Always has been and always will be below one of my videos. Also on the homepage of the channel, if you go to the homepage of the channel, if you look below on the channel, you can also see my sponsors as well. If we go down here, you can see Sensei is right there. Right there we have Sensei there. And soon, of course, I'll be adding Alpha Spread as well. All right, brilliant. Okay, now then, we've got 15 minutes to go. We are green. Virgin Galactic is coming up. Wow, that's so useful. Congratulations. Yes, I'm very excited about that, Sensei. It's amazing to have our channel put on the pages of Alpha Spread is phenomenal. I mean, it's just absolutely phenomenal. It's going to be a very, very, very big thing for both of us. Anyway, there you go. Right, who's joining us? We've got 15 minutes to go. We've got a nice audience today. We are all. Have you all clicked on the earnings yet? Oh, by the way, because of what we're doing with Alpha Spread, I am now increasing my earnings. We have got some more earnings. We've got Ring earnings. That's ticker symbol RING. After hours tonight, we're covering the earnings. We've got earnings all week. It's a big week for the earnings. So I will make sure that you do join us for the earnings this week. Well, we're going up now quickly. Here we go. Virgin Galactic will be green in a second. You're getting a lot of FOMO coming in now because we're going to be $5, $10 before you know it. And once we break $2, then the short squeeze starts to become a real thing. Right now, it could happen. But I believe 100% it's going to happen. That's the name of this video, and I'm fully committed to that. All right. Anyway. Okay. Ooh, this is exciting, right? Let's look at the overall portfolio. We are now at 39,961, the Roth IRA at 15,000, and we're at 55,509, started with just $5,000, 2.5, coming up to 3 years ago now. Yeah. In fact, is it 3 years now? Can't remember now. 2.5, 3 years. I'm selling it if it hits $6. I'm not selling mine at all. I want to be here in 20 years' time when Virgin Galactic is $100 a share, and I want to be one of the founder owners and have my 4,000 shares when they're all $100 each. Absolutely. And then they'll move to dividends. I'll just hold them forever. Anyway, that's my plan. Gold, S&P, Amazon, Apple, too expensive. Next year at energy, Enphase, 81.54. Bought at 70, if you remember. Down just 19% now. Remember, I was down at 80% on Enphase. Down 19% now. Very, very good. 14 minutes to go. Right then, let's go back and visit TikTok just a minute. Our TikTok audience. Let's have a quick look at TikTok. All right then, we've got 2,700 likes. Oh, yes, someone has become a member. Someone is going to get a video. Who is it? It is It is Doncy. Doncy, are you still in the chat, Doncy? Is it Doncy? DONSIA J21. Doncy, are you in the chat? I became a member. I can see you. Now then, Doncy, you've just become a member. I see we have 5 subscribers, even though it's only showing 4 on here. Let me come back out a minute and let's see if I can refresh it. Let's see if I can refresh it. Let's see if I can refresh it. Watch. There are 5. Right. So, Doncy, at the end of today's show, I will make a video for you, tag you in it, put your name and your tag in it. I will post it on the homepage of my channel profile. This is the homepage of my profile. I'm just zooming up. I will put it in this playlist. You'll see it in a second. Just keep watching. Here we go. It'll be in this playlist. Right? They are. It'll be right here. This is where it will be. Just keep watching. And I will invite all my 37,000 followers, nearly 38 now, to follow you. And as you are a subscriber and supporting me on TikTok, I will do everything I can to help you grow. I will tag you in viral posts. If you ask me to do something, I'll do it, make a video. I'm there to help and support you. And it will look like this. You'll have your channel on my screen behind me. See, I did Tony Mal on there. He was a subscriber. And I'll promote you. Okay, that's how I'll do it. And you'll be in that list there. Okay. And tomorrow, there'll be another star available. There's only 1 star available a day because I can only make 1 video a day. All right, so tomorrow I'll give somebody else the chance to do that. Thank you. Where is the chat? Where is the chat? It's not here. Where is the chat? What chat do you mean? The YouTube chat? I'm on YouTube. You're watching me on TikTok. The main show is on YouTube. If you want to join the main show, click the link up here and join us on YouTube. And maybe now you're a subscriber here on TikTok, I can help you on YouTube too. I don't know if you have a YouTube channel. It's Martyn Lucas Investor. The link's in the profile. Come and join us and I will do the same. But I will make your video for you at the end of the today and I'll tag you in it and you'll be notified because I'll send it to you. So thank you very much for becoming my next subscriber. There'll be another opportunity tomorrow. There's only 1 a day. All right? Excellent stuff. How cool is that? All right. Let's have a look. Holding. It's in their name. Release. What would be a good price for XRP? Obviously not now, but when it comes back down, Sensei. Yatawa Sensei, absolutely right. Hi, Mike. Hi, Queen. Welcome, everyone. Okay. All right. Now then, end phase. Back to Virgin Galactic. Here we go. 10 minutes to go. We're about to turn green. 100%. 100%. Donzy, if you come into YouTube, let us know that you're Donzy from TikTok. Say, I'm from TikTok, okay? And that would be awesome, all right? Okay. How cool is that? Virgin Galactic. It's going up. Looking good. We're excited now. Very, very green. Very, very green now. We've got just a few minutes to go. Coming up. Palantir, wait for it to go down. Apple, wait for it to go down. The S&P will sell off. You want to be in high growth stocks that are going to benefit from the rates coming down. Dividend stocks you want to be in because they got oversold because of the bonds. But look, see, I'm only 1.96 down now on $24,000 worth of J&J. And they pay a 3% dividend. So it makes sense. Even with margin, it makes sense. long term, because short term, over the period, I will be selling. I will be paying it off all the time, and so you don't keep margin for long. It doesn't make sense to keep it too long. But if you can grow, and you can see on my portfolio, I have grown my portfolio in a week, nearly $5,500. So clearly it makes sense, but you have to manage it properly. $40,000 now. Oh, we're going up quick now. Don C said, okay, I got you. Okay, I got it. Sorry. Not at all. I'm here to help you. You're one of my subscribers. I'm here to help you, do everything I can to help you. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. And after today's video, live show, I will make your video and promote you, okay? Excellent stuff. Well, it's going up fast now. FOMO is kicking in with Virgin Galactic, and it's probably the best growth stock that we've got now on our portfolio. Oh, man. Let's have a look. Let's look at the volume today. Average volume is 9.42 million, and today's volume is 472. I like it. We've got 6 minutes to go. I'm looking forward to see where Hood and Rocket Lab go. Yeah, we're covering Rocket Lab's earnings. We're covering Hood's earnings as well. Liam Laffey. Martyn, do you think it's this rally is a bull trap, and then the rug will be pulled when we're not expecting it? No, I don't. It depends what you're in. If you're buying Apple, yes. If you're buying Amazon, yes. If you're buying the S&P, yes. Absolutely right. But if you're buying high dividend stocks which got oversold, like Coca-Cola and J&J, particularly J&J because of litigation, no, they got dumped because of bad news, sugar prices, litigation, and bonds. That's all going away. Interest rates are going to come down. So we're 6 months ahead. We want to be buying it now, right? So no, you can't buy enough. Now, Virgin Galactic, the green light's gone on now because they know that interest rates aren't going to go up anymore, and all the flights are lining up. We've got the celebrity flights potentially in the next couple of flights. That's all looking exciting. The earnings call is going to look exciting. I told you, and I keep telling everybody I'm trying to sort of tell everybody that on the next earnings, I bet we get a nod. I bet the investors get a nod, okay? Because of that letter we sent in. They're going to reduce costs. They're going to show you a road to profitability. Virgin Galactic's going to go up. I'm 100%. I'm all in on margin. I'm 100%. I'm not just saying that. I'm putting my money where my mouth is, right? I'm live every single day. Here is Alex. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Alex from Alpha Spread in the chat right now. So this is our new sponsor today, Alex. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. I'm the founder of Alpha Spread. I'm delighted to become a sponsor and a part of the Martyn Lucas channel community. Looking forward to connecting with all of you. This is fantastic. Now, Alex is the owner, the founder, the CEO of Alpha Spread. I spoke with Alex this morning, and he's partnered with me, sponsored with me. But as you know, I only ever sponsor people that provide my members the best value service, right? It's for the benefit of you. So later on today, not now, Alex is going to send me a referral code, discount code, exclusive code that only my members only, and I will send it in a members only video, a code for you to get Alpha Spread, right, at an exclusive discounted price that nobody else will provide you. Nobody else will provide you. That is exclusive, okay? And what's really exciting as well is at the bottom of our Alpha Spread analysis, we're going to make lots of reviews on the stock. If you scroll to the bottom of this wonderful, I think it's the best software out there. I think that we're growing the best YouTube channel in the world. This is going to be the best analysis in the world. I don't doubt it for a second. The quality of this is second to none. At the bottom of this review, at the bottom of the page, is going to be above CNBC, above Yahoo Finance. Here is going to be our news. Is going to be the reviews that we do on this stock here above these. This is absolutely huge for our channel, and we are very, very proud to be teamed up today with Alpha Spread. It's a wonderful platform. I think probably the best platform in the world. I've checked them all. I've spoken to many of the providers, and I've been offered lots of money to do reviews and team up with other companies. I don't like their software. I don't like what they're about. So as you know, this channel never sells you anything. We're not here to sell you anything. It's all free. You can watch for free or you can be a member. It's entirely up to you. But you can see me do the reviews every day using Alpha Spread. You don't have to buy it. But if you want to buy it, you are going to get the best price. Nobody will get a better price than you. And we're very proud to team up today with our partner here today. So thank you very much to Alex, the CEO and founder of Alpha Spread. Right, Alex, if you can send me that referral code so I can share it in the Closing Bell show this afternoon, that would be absolutely brilliant. Right, now it's time to ring the bell. Here's our other sponsor. Sensei Crypto is sponsoring the bell this morning. There you go. 50 seconds to go. My portfolio is looking green. Thank you to all our 37,000 followers on TikTok, our 15,000 followers on my Facebook, my 5,000 on my profile, my 11,000 here on this channel, 5,000 on the music channel, and wherever you're following me on Twitch, Twitter, wherever it might be. Thank you very much. Let's get ready for a very exciting day. Here we go. We're about to ring the bell in 20 seconds from now. We will open it up to non-members shortly, but right now we are members only. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone and we are off and running. Let's see where we end up today. It's very exciting. Here we go. My overall portfolio. Let's have a look at it right now. Let's have a look at the portfolio and see what is moving. There it goes. It's a big green day today. Don't FOMO in though. Here's my portfolio. As you can see, I'm up again today, consistently beating the market, consistently beating Warren Buffett. Started with $5,000, and as you can see, I'm now at $55,625. This is brilliant. Right, very exciting. Let's go through our portfolio and see what is moving. Good luck all. Can everybody please welcome Alex in? Alex is now our new sponsor of our channel, providing you with the best service on Alpha Spread. Very, very good indeed. All right, okay, here we go. Let's welcome, there we go. Let me put them on the screen. Hi, Alex, everyone. Fantastic. I'm going to bring up, let me just do this now. Put that there. I'll make that a bit smaller. I'm doing this live. There we go. We can just drop that. That'll go there for now. I'll do some tweaks later. Anyway, I'm just showing you I do it live. All right, welcome in, Alex. Thank you very much, guys. Jordan, Alex, welcome. The CEO and founder today of Alpha Spread is here with us. Just bought 30 Rocket Lab. Fantastic. Welcome to the family. Alpha Spread looks great, like a great platform for investors. It does. Hi, Alex from Zaxate. Francesco, hi, Alex. 1 minute. Good luck. Good luck all. Good luck. Have a look at XRP chart. Go NASDAQ. Go NASDAQ. Fantastic. Good stuff Indeed. Let's go through. Virgin Galactic is just slightly down at the moment, slightly down, but it's very early in the morning. Palantir, we want to buy it when it's around $14, if not below. It's too expensive. Gold is down. The S&P, too expensive. Amazon, too expensive. Apple, too expensive. NEE, great. The dividends alone are going to pay for themselves. Enphase Energy, this is a 4 to 6x. Fantastic. Coca-Cola, still a good buy. J&J, still a good buy. Moving up quickly. Litigation comes to an end. This is up 20% in a day. Kenvue, great value stock. Chevron, up today. Tesla, up. Rivian, up. McDonald's, up. Google, down. Google is good value at this price, better than Microsoft. Microsoft is up, but too expensive. Welcome, Alex. Thank you for the discount. There you go. Look at the XRP chart. Let's look at the XRP chart. Here we go. Sensei Crypto. Sensei, would you like to call into the show? Would you like to be on the show today live? Let's get Sensei. Let's open up the broadcast lounge. Members can call in live to the show. The broadcast lounge is now open. If you want to phone in, you can actually phone in to the show live on the show. If you want to be involved, you can. XRP, look at that, 73 cents. We bought XRP around about the 32, 33, I think it was. Our overall portfolio on a $1,000 crypto challenge, $1,000 to $10,000, is 2,241, 2,242.40. Fantastic. And look, we've still got $605 out. That shows you how well that's doing. In USD, earning 5%. It's quite bonkers, really. If you want to know about Sensei's challenge, the crypto challenge, you need to be on it. The link's in the chat. Sensei can't call in. Oh, there we go. There is there's Sensei's link. It's below all the videos as well, along with Alpha Spread later on today. Okay, fantastic. Let's scroll down. Let's have a little look. All right. This is very, very exciting. Virgin Galactic will be green in a minute. Let's refresh it. It's red, but it will be green. Oh, there it is. There you go. Right on cue. Right on cue. Virgin Galactic is green. I said it would be green today. There's no doubt about it. Once we get to $2, we'll start getting that fear, FOMO of a short squeeze coming in. Let's see how many people are watching us now. 100 people. Fantastic. I'm waiting. Is Alex in the, is our CEO of Alpha Spread in the chat? Alex is here. Hi, Alex. You're still here. Please email me the discount, referral code. And add to my dashboard so I may share with my members. Okay, there we go. I think I've done that. This is for Alex. This is the CEO and owner of Alpha Spread. Okay, now that'll obviously go out. It'll go out to my members via a members-only video, of course. It won't be available to anybody else. Okay. 5 minutes. Fantastic. I like it. He's like me. He gets on with it. I like it. When I spoke to Alex this morning, I thought, this is a great guy. He's going to be on it. Anyway, just like me, he wants the best platform in the world, like I do here. We now have members in 43 countries in the world, second only to Mr. Beast. Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand, Georgia, Iceland, Hungary, and India. Members in 43 countries. Unlike Mr. Beast, though, we have the highest engagement rate, even more than Mr. Beast. 95% of our live viewers are members. That's higher than any other channel in the world. Right, let's have a look. Alex said 5 minutes. I love it. Fantastic. I was thinking of getting into Palantir, but perhaps at a lower price, maybe 12 to 13. Palantir, great stock. Shall we review it? Shall we do our very first review on Alpha Spread as now we have a sponsor? Shall we do that? Shall we do that? I think we should. Okay, here is Alpha Spread's review. We are sponsored by Alpha Spread. I use it. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to. But if you want to buy it, you can, and my members will get a discount, which will basically make my membership free. Phenomenal. Fantastic, right? You're always going to win with being a member for my channel. So let's have a look at it. PLTR. Let's do a review of PLTR right now. Here we go. This is a Palantir review. Alex, the very first one I'm going to do now for Palantir as a sponsor to my channel. Okay, you ready? So we'll put that on the screen. We've got that there. We'll change this to PLTR. And later on, folks, if you go and look at Alpha Spread, later on, you will see this review for Palantir on the Palantir page. This review above CNBC and above Yahoo and everybody else. Pretty good, right? Okay, here we go. We're going to build the best community in the world. Very, very exciting. Here we go. Now, PLTR. We'll do a review. Why we should wait. Why it's so important to wait. Okay, here we are. Let's do it right now. Let's make a little tweak to this a minute. Later on, I will actually design this better, but I'm just doing it quickly now. Just for now. But later on, it'll be better than this. I need to just make it a bit smaller. There we go. There. I think we'll just go back to there. Okay. There you go. Right. Okay. Time for another review, this time Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, using Alpha Spread, one of our sponsors, to provide this fantastic information to you. I believe that they provide the best software, and my members, if you are a member of my YouTube channel, always get the best deal, and we're looking forward to a great relationship with Alpha Spread. This is our very first review for Alex, the CEO and owner of Alpha Spread today. So let's get straight into it. I like Palantir. The company's great, but it's not the right time to buy it. Let me explain why. If it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. A thumbs up always helps the channel and spreads it out. And welcome to all our new viewers who are watching us today for the very first time on Alpha Spread itself. Let's look at why we should buy, or why we should wait to buy Palantir. First of all, if you're not familiar with Palantir, let's just zoom in and give you a bit of information about the company. Palantir Technologies is a holding company which engages in the development of data integration and software solutions. The company is headquartered in Denver, Colorado, and currently employs 2,920 full-time employees. The company went IPO'd in 2020. The firm operates through two segments, commercial and government. The commercial segment serves customers working in non-government industries. The government segment serves customers that are agencies in the United States federal government and non-United States governments. Now, the CEO is often described as the new Elon Musk. Of course, we're talking about the CEO. Let me just bring it up over here. All the information over here. You can see the CEO and co-founder is Alexander C. Karp. The founder and chairman is Peter Andre Thiel, and he's often described as the new Elon Musk. And people get very excited when Elon Musk gets banded around. It's like, we got to buy this. We need to buy it. It's a great company. We want to buy it. It's exciting. Now, it is exciting, but we need to be absolutely clear. Right now, it's a small company with a huge heart and a huge potential. However, it's being massively overbought right now. Okay, it's had a bit of a hard time getting off the ground. A lot of people are shorting the stock, trying to drive it down. It's now going on to the S&P, which is fantastic. However, we've got to realize it's very easy to overbuy this stock. So it's very easy to get too excited and jump all in and buy the stock. Right now, it's too expensive. As we can see, we had this massive rally the other day on the earnings. The earnings was good. The company is now turning to profit, which is good. If we scroll down here, you can see how the earnings is improving. They beat on earnings. It's good. However, you've got to do your numbers, and that's where alpha spread comes in. So I'm going to share with you the numbers now. It's a great company, but really we should only be buying it for around $9. Just like Tesla, everyone gets excited, overbuys it, and before we know it, we've got it 300 or 400% too high, and we've got Elon Musk going, sell the stock, it's too expensive. Right. Let's have a look at the intrinsic value using our alpha spread software, which I absolutely love. I think it's better than any other platform out there. Let's go into it. The best case scenario. Are we in a best case right now? No, we're not. We're in a time of high inflation. Yes, rates are coming down. That's fantastic. But at the end of the day, we do see that rates coming down in the spring. So best case scenario, not really. Overvalued by 63%. The base case, if we use the base case, which is what we look at, with 76% overvaluation. Now, as an investor, you've got to buy a stock at the right price. Doesn't matter how good you think it is. If you're overpaying for a stock, you're never going to make any money. The worst case scenario, 82% overvaluation. So you can see whichever way we look at it, it's too expensive. It's too expensive. I have said I would buy it for around about $9. That's where I would like to be in. I've made money scalping it at $14. Yes, but as a long-term investment, I want it for $9. Will it go there again? It could easily go there again. Let's go down and have a look. We can see the Wall Street target is down 24%. Relative value is down 72%. DCF value down 80%. Intrinsic value down 76%. At the price today of $18.94, which is the current price, or where it was earlier. It's gone down since then. Okay, now then. Let's scroll down for some more information and let's do some full analysis on this stock. Okay, valuation history. We don't have a lot of history yet. It's a new company. Current valuation down 76%. Too expensive. All right, let's scroll down here. You can see how the chart is even when it was down here at $6, we were still saying it was overvalued. So it's a great company, great idea. Everything's fantastic, but we have to wait for the right price. Otherwise, you're just buying into FOMO, and you may make money in 5-10 years' time, but you want to be in, at the right time, right? The fundamental analysis. This is very, very important. Looking at the financials now, 2.1 billion revenue. Okay, it's a small company. All right, bigger than me, but it's small. The revenue is going in the right direction. Let's have a look. We were down here first of all. June 29th, 1.7 billion. June 29th, then we want 1.8 billion. Pretty good. Then we moved up to 1.9 billion on December 30th, 22. Then we moved up to March 30th at 2 billion. We're going in the right direction. June 29th, looking good. Our most recent report was September 29th, 2.1 billion. And now we're estimating 2.3 billion December 30th. Okay, all good. Operating income is 36.3 million. Net income, 147 million. Okay, we look at the cash flow, operating cash flow. Now the balance sheet. The balance sheet is the most important thing. Now, as we know, we have done reviews on this before, and people have actually told us that they've not actually ever bothered to read the balance sheet. I think 90% of my audience had never actually bothered to read the balance sheet. They just bought it on a YouTube video, on the news, the excitement of a very exciting company. However, the balance sheet tells you the health of the company. It's got 4.2 billion on assets and 1 billion on liability. So clearly we are in the right side of the balance sheet. Looking good. All right, we can see that there. Looking very, very nice indeed. So we're very happy with the balance sheet. That looks good. Now, the efficiency of the company. Efficiency is very, very important, because if we don't have efficiency, doesn't matter how much money we bring in, if we're not efficient with our profits and our margins are good, then we don't have a large moat. We're able to be taken over. We could have all kinds of problems in the future. With Palantir, 79% margin. Very nice indeed. Looking good. Not increasing. It's been about the same, but 75% is a pretty good margin. Operating margin down 8%. Net margin down 20%. FCF margin 10%. You get an idea there. The margins and the health of the business is in a good state. Fundamental score. This is very, very important to give you the information should you buy this company. Well, solvency. So as we knew from the balance sheet, high interest coverage is great. High Altman Z score is great. Short-term solvency is great. Long-term solvency is great. 93% solvency score, very good. You can invest in this knowing it's not going bust anytime soon. However, profitability score 35. It's too expensive right now. Now, it's not red, it's amber. We'd like to see it green, but it will in time come. But right now, the price is too expensive for what you're going to get in return. If it was red, you definitely wouldn't touch it. Amber, it's interesting, but I would still hold back. I think it can sell off. It's too expensive where it is right now. Don't get FOMO'd in. Now, Wall Street targets. Wall Street targets are very, very important. This is how Wall Street analyze this stock. Now, remember, Wall Street don't know how to analyze a stock like Tesla, like Virgin Galactic, like Palantir. They like to see everything in front of them. They like to see everything done for them. They know where the company is going. It's like analysts, Wall Street can't quantify robo-taxis. They can't quantify Optimus for Tesla because it hasn't happened yet. And they're not investors, they're traders. They're in and out. They're not bothered what Elon Musk thinks is going to happen in years to come. So analysts on a future tech stock like Palantir, they don't know how to value it. So you got to take this with a pinch of salt. So if we look at the Wall Street's highest forecast, they are saying $26.25, 39% upside. If they look at the average, they're saying a 24% downside. Worst case scenario, 73% downside. Now, Wall Street are starting to take the stock more seriously. However, they're not giving it a good rate, which means they're not going to buy into it. They're not going to be backing it right now. So don't expect it to rally and keep on going. This is not GameStop. We're not going to get a short squeeze or something crazy like this with Palantir. Right, this next metric is one I absolutely love. This is what tells me who's buying and who's selling the stock. Who owns the stock right now? Who's buying it? Now, as you can see, over the last 9 to 12 months, we've had some inside trading selling the stock. Now, before you run to the hills and go, this is terrible, they're selling it from the inside, which they are, you need to know how many shares they're selling, because a lot of it, like Virgin Galactic, could simply be automatic tax selling. They're not dumping their stock because they think it's rubbish and it's going bankrupt, because we know it's clearly not. They could just be repositioning, and they've got automatic transactions set up just because that's the way their shares are set up. It doesn't mean to say they're dumping all. Now, if an insider is selling 50% of his allocation, then yes, there's a problem. But if an insider, if the CEO or the chief financial officer is selling 1% of their shares, that's not an issue. That's just them doing the right thing for them personally. However, we can see that over the last 3 to 6 months, it has increased. Because the stock price went up, right? Now we're seeing over the last 0 to 3 months, it's slowed down a bit, but still significant. What's important, though, is this here. The last transaction was on November the 1st by Moore Alexander, the director, who sold 322,000 shares. Now, I will talk to Alex, the CEO, who's watching me right now as I make this review for Alpha Spread. It would be nice if we had right there what percentage of that person's share allocation that is. So I could click on this and go, Moore Alexander, director, has sold 322,000 shares, which actually is 1% of their allocation. If it said that number, that would be very helpful, I think, to my viewers. If it said 50% of his allocation, of course, that then tells us there's problems at the company. That would be a very, very useful metric. Okay, now some of you are looking at this now who've never seen my show before, and notice that I have it in dark mode. Dark mode is not currently available on Alpha Spread. I have forced it to do this to present it for big screen TV, so you can get this look. You can't have this look if you're just using it on your computer. All right. Okay, latest news for Palantir. Now, we're not going to cover that right now on this particular video, but I tell you what, maybe we will actually. Maybe we'll take a cut just there. I will cut this here and see what the latest news is here. Right, so I'll make a cut when I edit this video, and I shall bring this news item up here. Bring it here. Okay. It's that one there. Let's go to, let's go full screen on it. We'll cut this. I'll bring it to here. This is what latest news on Palantir. We'll bring it back and let's see if they agree with me with what I've been saying about overbuying. So let's now continue. I will cut it there. So let's now go and listen to Yahoo Finance, see what they think, what their opinion is on Palantir.
Of PLTR, as strong demand for its AI platform is giving Palantir a boost on the day. The company's stock and the company saw revenue jump 17% in the third quarter, boosted its outlook for the fourth quarter, now expecting revenue of $599 million to $603 million. Shares ripping to the upside right now by about 19% here on the day.
Now, of course, this was just a couple of days ago. This is a 3-day old video here on Alpha Spread, but now it's selling off. Like I said it would sell off, it's selling off because it's overvalued. Wall Street don't like it enough to hold it long term.
But it's important to remember in context over the course of the
year. They're doing really well. It's up 177% for the year. I mean, that's if you got in on that at the beginning of this year, you're sitting pretty in terms of shares of Palantir. So clearly,
yes, if you bought it at the beginning, yes. If you bought it to around the $4, $5, even $9, it's fine. But that doesn't mean you should be buying it today. I don't think today is a good price at all, hence why it's selling off.
Investors liking both how they performed and their guidance. They talked about this strong interest in AI boot camps. That was something that they talked about in shortening the amount of time of revving up training there, shortening it to days of training within AI because there's so much demand for this new frontier when it comes to this AI story. So anticipating, as you mentioned, revenue.
Not bringing it so far. They're not really bringing anything new to the table that we don't already know. I appreciate what they're doing here at Yahoo Finance, but so far there's not that much information here.
Upwards of 2.2 billion, topping 2.2 billion, expected a little less than that prior. So, again, the demand picture for AI really accretive to Palantir, both in the current quarter, in the quarter gone, and the upcoming quarter.
It's just my guess, but how many people think she's just read that for the first time? She doesn't. I don't think she knows much about Palantir Technologies as a company. Looks like she's reading from a script. But anyway, that's just my opinion. That's just my bit of humor put in there. I like to just, be honest about it.
Yeah, absolutely. And as we continue to think about what Palantir kind of long-term is going to be making sure that they're able to do, especially with the contracts that they have more broadly here, two areas that a lot of investors here keep a close eye on, that commercial revenue and then the government revenue. The commercial revenue, that was up.
A lot of people have been concerned about too much government revenue. Now that's a big mistake on the stock, and I don't think these two presenters are fully up to speed with the Palantir stock. Actually, one of the benefits to Palantir is, in fact, the government contracts, and they're very much siding with the United States when it comes to defense. And the defense, as we know, in the United States is the largest in the world. And there's a lot more coming down the pipeline for Palantir in relationship to the United States. So United States military. So their involvement in the government actually is a huge potential revenue down the line. There's much more to come with Palantir. We're just at the beginning, but it's still the wrong time to buy it.
23% year over year. Government revenue, that grew 12% year over year. And especially considering some of the ties that Palantir on the deal making side have into different governments, when you have a period of geopolitical tension or conflict like we do right now, it makes it all the more interesting of a business to continue to track how they're navigating many of those relationships. But their customer count, that also did grow 34% year over year, with U.S. commercial customers up and driving that by about 37% year over year.
Yeah, and
so there we go. There's just a bit of information there from Yahoo Finance. Thank you guys for providing that. But I do think that it's the wrong time to buy it. It had a bounce on earnings. The earnings, I have to say, Palantir do provide probably the best. I think Palantir do provide the best earnings, without question about it at all. The way they present their earnings is absolutely phenomenal. I thought, the fact they all come on camera and they even bring in their investors, like the Bank of America, looks really, really great. Anyway, there is my review and my thoughts on Palantir. What do you think? Are you buying it? Are you holding it? Let me know in your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to get your thoughts on that. So please do go below this video when it posts. We're making this during a live video at the moment. Go and leave me your thoughts and comments. I would love to get your thoughts on Palantir Technologies. Please do go and share that with me. And I will reply to all of my members' comments. Now, if you are a member of my channel, I do have a referral code, which I will post to my members later on a members-only video, where my members get the best deal on the software. Now, I use it all the time for my stocks. It's how I invest. It's what I look at. But if you want to own it for yourself, my members get an exclusive deal where they get the best price for Alpha Spread. So as always, click above my head for all those links, information. You'll find it all there about Alpha Spread, the links, and all my other sponsors like Sensei Crypto as well. Look below in the description of this video. And for more reviews and more related videos around Palantir, you'll find them over here and down here. Go and check that out. And that's it from me. I just want to say on our very first review for Alpha Spread today, having done the deal as a partner with Alpha Spread, we're very, very proud to team up with Alpha Spread. I believe that they're going to be the best platform online for technical analysis and full background information for a company, giving you the tools that you need to be able to make informed decisions, not just buying random stocks because you hear about it on YouTube. And we're trying to grow the most honest, real, live YouTube channel in the world. And together, I'm very excited to be partnered with Alex, the owner and CEO and founder Alpha Spread. So good luck, Alex, to you and your team for Alpha Spread. You've got a great product, and I'm very proud to team up with you. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, okay. That will go out later as my first review with Alpha Spread. Alex said, thank you for your support. Our platform is continually advancing, keeping an eye out for the updates and enhancements on the way. Thank you so much, Martyn. I'll be keeping an eye on it for sure. Can be a great opportunity. Alpha Spread looks like a very useful tool. It does. And Randy B, as one of my members, you will get the best price once we've set up that code. All right. Okay, fantastic. Brilliant. Okay. Now then, let's go back. We are down 2%. What's dragged our portfolio down? Let's have a quick look. Am I worried? Concerned? No. Virgin Galactic is trading. That's what's brought it down. Am I worried? No, not at all. I'm not buying any more, and I'm not selling either. Palantir, if we look down, it sold off. It didn't go cheap enough for me to pick it up, though, so I won't be doing it just yet. Gold, at the moment, it's down. We're not buying that. Too much for the S&P 500. Amazon, too expensive. Popped up, we're not in that. Apple, too expensive. We're not in that. NEE, we're holding this. Enphase Energy, trying to sell. That's fine. Not buying any more. I bought it all at 70. Coca-Cola going back up, looking good. J&J going up. Kenvue going up. CVX. Let me just jump back in again on my... see how many people are with me on the show. Fantastic. If you've just arrived, I'll put you on the screen. Let's see if we can get... Is it too much? Maybe? I don't know. See if we can get 80. Let's see if we can get 80 likes on the video. Let's have a look. Let's go. Let's get some funky music going. Here we go. All right. Let's see if we can get some funky music going. Right. 93 watching here on YouTube. Thanks to all my audience over there on TikTok, X, Facebook, Rumble, Twitch, and my website. Let's see if we can get 80 likes. 2 more to go. There's 79. We have 99.5% up likes, but only 50% are signed in. Be signed in, guys, because if you are signed in, you're going to be able to become a member, and then you can get a discount to Sensei Crypto Services and Alpha Spread Services as well. And it basically makes my membership less than free, even better than free. Okay, best YouTube channel in the world. Thank you so much indeed for that. We did get there, didn't we? Now then, SPI. You want a review on SPI? SPI. Okay, I'll do that later. We've only got a chance to do one review this morning. Okay. Now then, what shall we cover right now? We've got the overall portfolio going down. Virgin Galactic, we've got no news at the moment. Palantir, it's coming up. It's trying to come up now. Now then, we've got several things to add today, which we've not yet shown you. Let me just for a moment, I want to go general public, give everyone the chance to come in and have their say. I want to answer everyone's questions, but we do have to focus on our members, of course. There's too many things that we give to our members not to. All right, but just for a moment, everyone can have their say. The overall portfolio is diving at the moment. It's not mainly because of Virgin Galactic down 4%. I'm not concerned. We have got today, it's not on the homepage yet, but later on today, I'm going to post for you here on the homepage. We've got the closing bell this afternoon. So in a minute, we're going to end the show, and I'm going to edit and work on that review, stock review, on Palantir, which hope you will see later on the website. You will see later on the website for Palantir. You may even see some of the other ones already there. Alex is with us in the chat right now, and we've done the other ones already. Alex, if you've done the other ones, I sent you 3 reviews. If you have, let me know, and I will share with everybody, and they can go and have a look already on your website. So if you've done those, if you added those to the news, let me know, and I will point everybody there. But anyway, we've got the closing bell, and then later on this afternoon, after the closing bell, it's not posted yet, we are doing the Ring earnings. That's ticker symbol RING, Ring. Okay, we've got earnings pre-market and after hours nearly all week this week, and of course the finale, the main one, is November the 8th in 2 days time. Virgin Galactic, that's our biggest stock we cover on this channel, and we have 21 likes of people already there. If you want to already get there into the show, I'll give you the space earnings. You can leave a comment, a question, and I will share it with the investor team. There is the chat. It's also pinned to the top. Fantastic. All right. Okay. Now then, we're going to wrap up the show in a minute because I have to get off air, and do that review. We'll just wait a few minutes, see if Alex is here, and see if he's managed to put those videos onto Alpha Spread, and you can go and have a little look, perhaps. Let's see what he says. Anyway, let me go into Discord right now. We don't have anybody in the Discord lounge to phone in, so I'll shut that down. We do have some people popped into the breakfast bar. Let's have a little look. We've got Mike. Thank you, Mike, with his mug. Brilliant. This is really good. I love it. Let me give it a like. Thank you, Mike. Seth Houston, nice. Seth Houston's there in the breakfast bar. Mike, thank you very much indeed. Paul Stone, good morning to you. Morning, Mike. Watching from Florida today on holiday. Absolutely great. Lovely to have you here, Paul Stone. We've just made a big announcement this morning on our channel. We've got a new sponsor alongside Sensei. We have Alpha Spread now. The owner and CEO is in the chat. We're very, very excited about that. Now then, just before I go, I believe, yes, Virgin Galactic is back down. Not worried. Yep. Not worried at all. Alex, I've got a few little words here. A few little words from our members. Okay, here we go. Here's a few little words from our members that you might find interesting. This is how people feel about the channel. Okay, so here we go.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Welcome to the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England and he's a lot of fun.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CNV Studios here. The reason why I love Martyn and the channel is he's always willing to help everyone out, gives all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then Martyn's your man to go to.
I would like to welcome the new members especially, and I'm so proud of this family and your work. Well, especially this family has been so wonderful doing some work for Uganda. On behalf of Zach, I'd like to thank you so much.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Izumaki here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello, and join the family.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and your music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So
you should be always feel up, Martyn. You're doing a great job, and the people around you. You surround yourself with the people like yourself, which is it's a lot. It's a lot, man. Like even like whoever in this moment listening this, like I'm sure like we all have our own things to deal with. But between these things, you're just giving at least a couple of minutes to feeling what we are feeling in here. It's a grateful, like I'm very thankful for that, and I'm wishing you all the best.
Started watching on TikTok, and I was totally against doing stocks, but after watching you for about 5 to 7 days, I dove in, put $1,000 into Robinhood, and gave this a try. I've been watching what you've been doing. I've been following and trading the way that you've been trading. And today I made a profit after yesterday, so big thumbs up. It really was exciting to me. And all day today I've been waiting for the Virgin Galactic to take off and be able to reinvest and get back in, because I did that today with you.
We've got a little drop here with Virgin Galactic. It's perfectly normal this time of the morning. We're coming up to earnings. I'm not concerned. I'm not selling a single share. I'm holding my position, not going anywhere. It's perfectly okay. It's perfectly normal. You just gotta be. Remember, you gotta remember why you bought the stock in the first place. If you're not in check with your emotions, you're going to be selling out, then buying back at a higher price. You've got. This isn't financial advice. I can't tell you what to do. You've got to do what's right for you, but you've got to do your own research, which is why we show you the technical analysis and the fundamentals, and we study the stock, and why I've got friends at all the companies that I invest in. You have to understand that a stock like this will go up and down. People are taking profits today. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not selling a single share.
I joined your show because you're honest. I want to learn more, and I don't feel alone, Really enjoy your show.
What price would I be looking to sell at? I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to sell.
Yeah, I'm part of the community with Martyn because it's true and it's honest, and everyone's polite, everyone's genuine. It's a great community to join. Everyone's supportive. Everyone has something knowledgeable and wise to share, and I've definitely benefited from this community. So what you're doing is great, Martyn. Thank you.
Just wanted to let everybody know that this is the best YouTube channel in the world. And all the time that we've been here, it's been exciting. We've been part of a great family, had a lot of struggles, but a lot of winnings. So whatever anybody thinks that they need not to join, they need to join, because it pays off multiple ways.
Okay, now we're getting into 9:15 Central Time. It's a bit of everyone's getting a bit stressed, right? You're seeing it go down. You're concerned. Are you concerned? I'm not concerned. Remember, it's the long-term investing plan we have here. We can scalp trade, of course, but I'm not selling my position, because if I sold it now, I'd be looking to buy it back immediately, and I've got no interest in doing that at all. So let's see when it starts buying back again. Now, I've been talking to the pool of the biggest investors in the world, retail investors in the world with Virgin Galactic, and no one's selling. No one's selling. Now, obviously, somebody's selling this morning. That's perfectly fine. People will sell. Maybe you're selling. But I'm not selling a single share. I will always tell you before I sell, before I buy. I don't have to, but I just do. That's what I do. Just the thing I do for my members. They all know what I'm buying ahead of time. Now, I said to you What you have to do, and what I am doing, is, as you can see, Coca-Cola and J&J, they underpin my portfolio. You have to have a foundation. If you are taking some risk and you are buying some risky stocks like Virgin Galactic, you have to have some foundation to your portfolio. You have to build the foundations first. Now, J&J and Coca-Cola were massively sold off. 1, price of sugar. 2, litigation for J&J. And dividends weren't attractive because people moving into bonds, high interest rates, right? That's all reversing now. And now everyone's moving back into Coca-Cola, back into J&J. So this will underpin my portfolio. Even if Virgin Galactic went to zero, I've got so much Coca-Cola, not just on my main brokerage account, but in my Roth IRA. As you can see, I'm up 3.5% in my Roth, if I zoom in there. And in my brokerage account, I'm up 3.6 as well. So I'm making good profit with a very, very good dividend. That's what supports my my portfolio. J&J, exactly the same. So you've got to have a big, big foundation and a big moat around, a wide moat around you to protect you from high risk. But you got to know why you bought in the first place. Now, we do have some extra impetus for Virgin Galactic over the next couple of days. First of all, we have the earnings on the 8th. On the 8th, we're going to have a good earnings, and that's going to be good for the stock, I believe. We've also got Rocket Lab. Now, that's important because it's a space company. They are about to fly. They are selling off now for some bizarre reason, but that's fine. I've been doubling down on my position here. They're going to fly. They've got FAA approval. When we get Rocket Lab fly, I'm sure that it'll also tend to go up with Tesla and tends to push Virgin Galactic up as well. So there we go. That's just a week or so away, and you can see Tesla sort of reacts the same sort of time. Anyway, let me have a look at the questions. Just remember, Paul Knowles, if it's going down, it's because people are buying what others are selling. Scalpers taking profits, top up again at 150. That's correct. Just remember, if it's going down, it's because people are buying what others are selling. Scalpers taking profits, top up again at 150. I'm not selling any of my shares. I don't see the point. I've made enough money scalping it. Now I've lowered my average time in profit. Remember, I entered the stock at $35. I'm now up 11%. I'm not concerned if it goes down to 150 again. It doesn't really matter because I'm not selling it. As people say to Warren Buffett, how do you feel when you're down millions of dollars in one day? Well, he's not, is he? He's not sold anything, and I'm not selling either. Can you stop jinxing? No, hang on a minute. Let's have a look. You don't need much TA for Virgin Galactic. That is the future of travel. Can you stop jinxing Virgin Galactic? Kev's schools. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, have we got any more questions before I go? Because I need to get and make this video for Alpha Spread, put it out in my next review. It needs to be edited down a little bit, and then it'll be ready to go. Pete Barker, perhaps I was right with the rug pull this week. It's never good for space in CPI week. Well, that's fine. I don't agree. It doesn't matter. My portfolio is strong. It's not of concern. I think it will bounce back this afternoon. The fact that we're seeing other stocks similar, future stocks, high-risk stocks, Palantir, great company, just overvalued. It's being sold off. No surprise. The S&P, safe bet, going up, but it's too expensive. Amazon, safe bet, too expensive though. I don't want to be buying this. I want to be buying Palantir and Virgin Galactic. Apple, same thing, too expensive. Next Era Energy, this is good. What's going down is what's good. Enphase, back down to 76. I bought it at 71. Okay with that. My defense is there. Coca-Cola, my moat is good. My Kenvue is good. My Chevron is good. All looking good. Tesla, it's coming green again. Rivian, here it comes now. We're getting the mid-morning bounce now. Google going up. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Tilray, rubbish. I'm out of it now. Robinhood, great. IonQ, way too expensive. It's improved, but it was vastly overbought. Rocket Lab, Plug, Procter & Gamble, Rumble, Funware, FFIE, Rubbish Company, Rio Tinto, Bitcoin up 1%, Matic up 3.36, the currency of the internet, I like that, and Ripple today up 7.49%. And we hold a big position of this, as you know. We're up 24% on the week and 39% on the month. I bought it around that 33 before here. I bought it back here, round about here. So you can see how much I'm up on it now. Very nice indeed. Okay. I just sold Virgin Galactic, but I will buy it back when it's back to 140. It might not go there again now. Have a look at Lilium, Martin. I can review a stock and do a full back test using Alpha Spread software, but I have several in the queue, and members have to have the priority, I'm afraid. I've got SPI for Mike. I've also got Disney and ChargePoint for Michelle and Nikunj. Michelle wants Disney, so we've got several to do, and I have to prioritize the members. Right. We're starting to potentially bounce back. Are we going to bounce back? Time for me to get off, I think, and make some videos. Is Alex still in the chat? Let me just see if our CEO is. Yes, he is. Okay, he's still in the chat. Alex, thank you ever so much indeed. Let me, thanks for your support to our channel today. I'm going to just have a quick check of my emails, see if I've had any correspondence from you. Let me have a look. Aha, I do have something. Ah, brilliant. Okay. Alex says he will add my videos, and you'll see the videos on Alpha Spread tomorrow. When you next going live, Martin? Same time every day? Let's have a look. Let me have a look. Oh, funny. When you next going live? All right, have a good day, everyone. Right, when am I next going live? If you go onto the homepage of the YouTube channel, where we are right now, okay, you look here on the upcoming live streams. They're all put there in a TV guide. This is the closing bell this afternoon. Click on this, it'll tell you in your time zone. For me, it's 2 p.m. Central. For you, depends where you are in the world. Click on that and it will tell you what time. This is my next show. After hours tonight, we are covering Ring, R-I-N-G, ticker symbol Ring, the Ring earnings. And then tomorrow, opening bell, closing bell. We're live every single day at the same time, opening and closing bell, plus we have earnings coming up as well. All right? They're all posted there for you on the homepage of the channel. All right? That's how you know. Okay, time to get off, I think. The portfolio is taking a bit of a dive. I'm not worried. Martin, the studio is the wrong color. I knew someone was going to say that. There you go. Is that better? I should have done that earlier. I was too busy making videos. There we go. All right, that's it from me. Let's do day trader of the day. Here he is. Sam's in the house. And there is the amazing Rocket Martin. How's it going, Tesla Jam? Did you see Korean stock market banned short selling? Did you see the Korean stock market has banned short selling? They should do that. I agree. It's a terrible thing. People just trying to destroy businesses, companies. Yeah, well, you need both, I guess, but that's a very interesting point. No, Sensei, I didn't know that, but thank you very much for letting me know about it. We'll have to look into that. That's a very important thing. Send it to Discord. And anyway, time for day trader of the day. Here we go. Are you up? Or are you down? I'm down. 3.22. Okay, am I worried? No. Are you worried? I don't know. Let's see who wins today, and then we'll do our stars of the show. If you've done a super chat, you'll be in the stars of the show, or crypto tip, or you become a member. If not, you won't. All right, here we go. And don't forget, if you do more than $1, you can actually, it will read out the comment for you as well. That's a bit of fun. Okay. Okay, down 3.22. Down 1.69. Down 3.36. Damn space, come on, says James. Up 1.8. Down 0.64. Now the reason why my portfolio is down so much, because margin's on. That's why. I go up more, I go down more. That's why. You are looking at 3% over the entire balance of my portfolio. So actually, because not the full balance is shown, because the full balance is not shown with margin, because it's not my shares, remember, I show the profits and the losses. That's how it works. So the winner is MSK Sensei Crypto. Hang on. 9.8%. Congratulations, Sensei. Thank you for your honest trades. I love it. Congratulations, Sensei Crypto. What a great result. Absolutely fantastic. Sensei Crypto is the star of our show today. All right. And talking of stars of our show, let's see who is the stars. Whoops-a-daisy. I'll fix this later. It wasn't set up. There you go. I'll make it look good later on. So otherwise, you would only be down. Well, less than that. Less than that. Yes, correct. 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 Doobie-doo. Chidooby-dooby-doo-boo. Roll the credits. Stars of our show today. Thanks for your support. Subscribers, Brendan Bork and Muttons63. Unfortunately, Alex, CEO of Alpha Spread, he would have been there, but he became a member before the show went live, and that's why it's not sharing it on the screen, which is a bit of a shame, isn't it? A bit of a shame. So we can't report on that. Anyway, there we go. Yeah, I think that's it. There we go. We had a great super chat on the last show. This was a super chat from MSK, which we're still extremely thankful for. Here it is.
My portfolio is almost at $125,000 and just secured a 9-month consulting contract for my company. This is an amazing day. Love you, family.
There we go. $110 super chat, pound super chat. That's my my biggest super chat I've ever had. Fantastic, brilliant. All right, that's it from me. It's time for me to go. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for being here. Look out for the review videos on Alpha Spread later on. I will be sending you the link soon. So if you want to get Alpha Spread at the all-time best price that no one else can get, only members can get that price, then you'll have that later on. But that's it from me. Thank you all so much for being here. I look forward to seeing you all back this afternoon. We've got the closing bell, and then of course we also have the earnings for Ring tonight. Until then, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and most importantly, take care of each other. Bye-bye.